Hey everyone, it's Cody here. So today I wanted to talk about the topic of finding cash buyers for our wholesale deals. Now I know that there's a lot of discussion about ways that we can do this. In the past, I've typically always heard of people that suggest contacting a real estate agent and then maybe asking them to run a report that shows the investors that are buying like in the most recent sales in your neighborhood. The other one is, you can always go to, real estate, like real estate meetups, so RIAs, and those work. But today I want to show you a method that consistently and reliably will find you cash buyers for your wholesale deals, guaranteed, and as early as 24 hours you can find them. So we're going to be using two tools today. We're going to be using Craigslist, which I'm sure most of you are familiar with, but if you're not, it's pretty much it's kind of like it's just kind of like a local like wanted ads and type of thing. It's completely free, so we're going to be using that, and then we're also going to be using a website called a website through the platform Carrot. Now, if you haven't heard of Carrot before, they have essentially their niche is SEO, high converting websites. This method does not require that you do any SEO, although long term you should consider it for your business, especially if you're trying to find off market deals. This could definitely help you with wholesaling. But either way, I kind of want to just show you this tried and true method that I have. I guarantee that you will find cash buyers for your wholesale deals. So let's get started. So here we have Craigslist, so I've already logged into my account. You see Jersey Shore We Buy One. And on here you can actually see, I actually used to use Craigslist quite a bit, but you can actually see all the different Craigslist postings. But I'm actually just going to show you here. So this is an example. So what we're going to do is we're going to post an ad like this on Craigslist. So if you see here it says New Jersey investment property deals, that would just be your market. And also too, if you're just beginning and you're not quite sure where to target, another really cool thing that you can do if you're using Craigslist is just search. So do search We Buy Houses. Oh, misspelled that. We Buy Houses. And we can filter out some of these. Let's see if we just have real estate. No. Give me one sec. Jersey Shore for sale. Housing. All. We Buy Houses. Okay. Why this is important, and this is a super pro tip on this guy, because essentially you can figure out what areas that cash buyers are looking in. So here we see Ocean, Monmouth, Atlantic County. So this might be a good place to start when we post our Craigslist ad. So again, I guarantee that you will find investors, but there is two pieces to it. So we have our Craigslist ad up, and I will actually, as a free gift to you, I actually will just be posting a couple different templates that you can use, throw in your market, and you can get started with that on Craigslist. So I got you covered on that. So the second part is we're going to create a Carrot site for our cash buyers. And this is something that a lot of people aren't doing, and that's why I think, especially now that we're in 2021 and the housing market, the real estate market just continues to be more and more competitive, this is something that you're going to have to do. And if you're serious about wholesaling, you're going to have to commit to investing in tools and in yourself like this. So this is a paid platform. I have it. I have the advanced marketer here, which is $200 a month. But if you're just getting started and you're on a limited budget, you could theoretically just do the $69 a month, which, if you think about it, depending on your market, the average wholesale profit is, could be anywhere from $5,000 a deal all the way up to, $20,000 a deal, depending on where you are and how good the deal is. So $69 a month really isn't much. Neither is 100. I would say go middle of the road, and the reason why is this $100 a month, it gives you this automated content library, which is what they're providing you is automated blog posts that you can schedule, and I'll show you what that looks like. But this is my cash buyer site. And you'll see here, you can customize this to look however you want, but it's pretty simple. And so, somebody goes to your Craigslist ad, you have your excuse me, getting tongue tied there. You have your cash buyer site here, so they're gonna go like this, right? They're gonna say go to cash buyers list newjersey.com. This is gonna come up. Right here, you already have a form for them to fill out. So I'm gonna do mine. Cody, what kind of buyer are you? Investor. Also, if a home buyer is looking, which let's just do, that's fine. And show me the deals. And so this, you're gonna get a notification on your phone that's gonna say, hey, you got a lead for your cash buyer site. Now, just to show you how good this has been to me, sign in. So that's my off. This is how I find off-market deals. We're going to go to this one, dashboard. Sorry. So you can see I've had 477 total visitors. I've gotten 60 leads for cash buyers. 60. That's real. So if I want you to just imagine, and I think a lot of times whenever I post these Craigslist ads, you'll find that literally within a day, you will have people reaching out to you, signing up to this website, saying, hey, like, what do you have? So this is a super consistent and reliable method. And if you just see, so say somebody, we can use this guy as an example. So first name, this looks like crap. That's okay though, because we got lots of them. You can use this one. So this person told me their name, their phone number, their investment, and this is step 2. So they're in, which you'll see here, and it'll ask for more information. So I'm looking for houses to rehab and sell. How'd you get here? What types of properties are you looking for? The price range. So this is crazy good for bird dogging, which, if you're not familiar with that term, what that means is you don't have the deal, but you start with the investors and you know exactly what they want. So that then will provide you kind of with like a narrowed search for what type of properties, because you know you have somebody that you can offload the deal with. So again, they would fill out this entire form on the second page, and then that's going to go right here. And then this will allow you, when you do get wholesale deals, you'll know exactly who to market to, and that'll reduce a lot of friction and allow you to get the deal done faster. Another, or I should say, a pro tip on this is going to be, once you create this website, so you would need Carrot, so you would get a Carrot subscription, which I implore you to do. And then if you wanted to get a domain name, which I'll link this to, you'd go to Namecheap.com, and literally I think it's like $8 to come up with a domain name. So you would say, go here, your markets, cashbuyers.com, and then you'll see here it comes up $8, and that gives you a year to have the domain name. So either way, I can't stress this enough. This method guaranteed will work in getting you cash buyers within as little as 24 hours. If you have those Craigslist ads, or if you do some search engine optimization, you will get these consistently and reliably, guaranteed. So if you guys have any questions about this video, or any of the topics that I covered within it, feel free to leave a comment or shoot me a message. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying to give you guys as much value as possible, and I really hope that this was helpful. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.